What's up, y'all? It's your girl Skizzle, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to separate your audio tracks on OBS so that you and your music don't be getting picked up on your VOD track. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go ahead and open up your settings. Usually it's in the bottom right, mine is in the top left. From here, you're gonna want to go ahead and select output. We're gonna change our output mode from simple to advanced, and then we're gonna enable our Twitch VOD track and select 2. From here, we're going to go to our recording tab and we're going to go to our audio track and we're going to select 1 through 6. Each one should have a tick in it. From here, we're going to go ahead and switch to our audio tab and we're going to disable every single audio device. And then we're going to go back to our mic and auxiliary audio and we're going to select whatever mic we use. Then we're going to hit apply and OK. So this here is what my stuff normally looks like. All my audio tracks are separated. We're going to go ahead and create our own scene and I'm going to name it scene 2. And right here you can see that I already have my mic and my aux in here. We're going to go to sources and we're going to hit add. We're going to add an application audio capture beta. I'm going to go ahead and add my Discord. So I'm going to type in Discord 2 and then I'm going to add, and on the window I'm going to change it to Discord, and then for the window match priority I'm going to change it to match title, otherwise find a window of the same executable. And the reason we do this is because whenever I join Discord, regardless of whatever chat I join, it'll automatically pick it up even if it isn't the same server or the same chat. Now you can see here we have our Discord added in. Now we're going to go ahead and add another application audio capture beta, and we're going to add in my Apple Music just because it's already there. We're going to go ahead and select the window and we're going to change it to whatever music we want to listen to, whether it's a browser or a application on our computer. And then we're going to change the window to be match title, otherwise find window of same executable, and we're going to hit OK. I want you to keep in mind when you do this, it'll automatically pick up anything on that browser regardless if it's on that tab. And now you can see here that we have our Apple Music. Now we're going to go in and add another application audio capture beta, and we're going to add in our game. You can name it whatever you want. I just named my game because you do have to change it every time you want to stream a different game. And you can see here that we have our mic, our Apple Music, our game, and our Discord. And now we're going to want to pay attention to just this section here and the audio mixer. We're going to go to the bottom right and we're going to click those 2 little cogs. It's going to open our advanced audio properties menu, and this is going to show any source we have added into our OBS, as well as our audio tracks. If you don't have one, you're going to want to grab a sticky note or a notepad of some kind and a pen to write all the stuff down that I'm about to explain. So the first track you see where it says 1 is your live track. So anything you'd want on your live track is what you want to be ticked. So your music, your Discord, your game, your mic, all of that should be selected. Your 2 track is your VOD track. So we want everything selected again except for our music, otherwise our VOD's going to get deleted or muted. Our 3 track is our mic, so nothing else should be selected, just our mic. Our 4th track is our game audio. Nothing should be selected except for just our game. Our 5th track is going to be our Discord, just Discord, nothing else. And our 6th track is going to be music or browser sources, so it'll be just our music and just our browser sources. And then we can go ahead and close this window since we're done. And we've added everything in, and now all your audio tracks are separated and you won't be getting muted on the VOD track. You're welcome, gang. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you found it pooky, y'all should subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Good luck on your streaming endeavors. Love your faces.